Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is going to be a review. I want you to incorporate this text split, and I want you to separate the fruits into 3 columns. Over here is a narrative. It's going to explain any deficiencies you may have in terms of understanding the various arguments. The layout, the outcome, we've already done. I just want you to practice. Text split availability. This explains that this is only available on this Microsoft free version. That's what I'm using. Clearly, by now, you've recognized that. And I'm hoping, and there's some rumor that eventually this will be available to the desktop, but don't hold your breath. There's an opportunity for Excel to make a penny off of you. That's what they're going to do. And putting it on the desktop, they're not going to make much money. So don't put much emphasis on that. It's a nuisance because they're forcing you over to their subscription crap. And I just find that intrusive. With that, I'm going to use the old school stuff because I don't want to deal with this never-ending problem of their cloud computing. During this tutorial, and this is over the last 2 or 3 days, I've just run into endless problems with this OneDrive. It seems their OneDrive is a target for this DOS attacks, interfering with my limited use. I can't imagine a huge corporation being interfered when their entire system is collapsed because Excel/Microsoft is forcing you to use their platform. But I'm off subject here. Just my personal opinion. I want you, in terms of this review, to review this information and incorporate this simple review, this simple practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.